स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज आप लोगों के साथ डिस्कस करेंगे रियल नाइटमेयर scenario, how NVIDIA China struggle could hurt it is the competitive edge. NVIDIA China's business continue to face geopolitical hurdles which could pose longer-term competitive risks for the AI chip maker. Ongoing US-China tension have upended NVIDIA's sale in what was one of its largest markets. In the company's most recent quarter, revenue from China, which includes Hong Kong, dropped 45% from a year ago to about $3 billion, according to Bloomberg data. And while the Trump administration greenlighted the sale of NVIDIA's H200 chip to China this week, albeit with a 25% tax, Reuters reported that China is barring imports of the GPU, except in special case. So far, NVIDIA's dominant position in the chip market does not appear to have suffered much after the company unilaterally lost access to the China's AI market in 2025. It became the first company with a $5 trillion valuation last fall, despite a decline in China's its third quarter revenue. Overall soars more than 60% during the period to about $50 billion. NVIDIA Corporation 186.23 जो प्राइस चल रहा है यह क्लोज आप लोगों ने देखा आफ्टर आवर्स 186.25. But over the long term, the Chinese commercial sector development and use of domestic chips could narrow NVIDIA lead on the global stage. Wall Street analyst told Yahoo Finance, they said NVIDIA domains in AI software would suffer if Chinese tech developers began making advances open source alternative which would hurt its leadership in hardware as well. That's the real nightmare scenario, support analyst Jay Goldberg said. NVIDIA software edge, much of NVIDIA competitive edge comes from its software stack developer using its AI system, rely on the company CUDA platform, which includes a library of properties tool that lets them program its GPUs efficiently and reinforce the company's dominance in the chip market.